We have a question here in the chat from Adventure Trader, who's asking, how come when I trade micros on TradersPost paper trading, the position sizes are huge? Is this something that I think we saw last week, where if you're not sending in the position size uh, when you're using TradeAvate, then it doesn't calculate it properly, like on the paper trading account?
I remember you guys talking about that last time, but the issue, I'm not sure what Aventura Trader is referring to, but the main issue with the TradersPost paper broker and futures is that we don't have live market data by default. So if you if you open up a position and you enter at a limit price that gets filled, which with the TradersPost paper broker, it just fills at that limit price instantly. And we try to fetch a quote from the broker, and because we can't fetch a quote, the price is zero. So it looks like the position has gone down 100% in value. So you have to connect another broker to the TradersPost paper broker that has futures market data, and then our TradersPost paper broker will use that broker connection to fetch quotes. So you can connect. TradeStation is really the only one we have right now that has futures market data. But I'm not. When he says position sizes are huge, I'm not sure.
Yeah, he lost me on that one too. And he's saying micros, so I assume he means the micro e minis, which should be 1/10 or 1/10 the size of the e minis. Maybe you can expand on that. Oh no, I guess we helped him out there. It's the price and basically seeing the P&L being crazy.
Yeah, and I hope that, like, honestly, like, I want to add futures market data into the system, but the CME, and they make it so difficult. Like, I just want someone that will take my money. Like, they don't have a product to sell me. It's unfortunate. I feel like there's a missed opportunity there for them. Polygon is one of our market data providers that we use right now, but they only have stocks, options, and currencies, crypto. But
on that subject, though, John, I guess outside of office hours here, I'll catch up with you on the price quotes I've gotten from Quode, which is another vendor in the futures market data space. I think we can solve this problem, but we just need to negotiate some pricing.
Cool. Yeah, it'd be nice if we can have that. Then we'd have live market data for futures in our paper broker out of the box, which I think would obviously be pretty helpful. But reduce questions is something that everyone runs into, and we tried to add warnings and notifications in the app and try to guide people so that they know they need to connect that TradersPost paper broker, but there's always more work to do there on the user experience.
Yep.
I wonder what you guys, not to put you on the spot, but what do you envision the paper trading account for the TradersPost paper trading account to turn into? Do you want it to specifically rely on the paper trading services accounts from brokers, or do you want to develop it into something bigger or better?
Well, I can tell you kind of the history of it. I built the TradersPost paper broker originally so that we could run automated tests for the TradersPost system. This is like a development thing so that we can make sure that our functionality is stable whenever we're making changes. And we can't run test strategies against all of the live brokers. So I built that paper broker so that we could use it to run our automated tests for quality assurance. But then once I built it, I was like, hey, some third-party brokers don't have paper brokers, so maybe I can just make it a feature, and then people can paper trade in TradersPost without having to even connect a broker. So I think that's been really useful. It's kind of it's the first broker that people use when they're kind of just like getting started with TradersPost. The downside is it's not as feature rich, or it doesn't have all the features that a real broker has.
No commission, no slippage model.
Yeah, there's no, we need to enhance it. So I think that long term, we definitely need to do some work there to enhance it. Like right now, when you use limit orders, if you send a price, like, you just get filled at that limit price no matter what. So it's kind of more like how a back testing engine works, where it's
Right.
like, this is the price you get filled at, and it's just the way it works. But I want to improve that so that we have like a more real filling mechanism that's based off of the live quotes. The ability to have limit orders that actually fill correctly, canceling orders. So yeah, I think over the long term we want to enhance it. It's just a matter of where it falls in the priorities, and unfortunately, it kind of falls to the bottom of the list a lot.